Hello there and welcome back into the final lecture of the course, in which I would like to wrap up with you and congratulate you if you've made it here so far. What this actually shows about you is a real sheer will to do what you set out to do. So let me tell you something. A lot of people buy courses. A lot of people enroll in courses, but not all of them get to see the end of it. And let me tell you something. When you start something and finish it, that's really an admirable skill that you've learned, and you should really praise yourself for it and keep repeating it. Okay? It's by repetition that you can get success. I don't want to sound like a guru of self help or something like that, but I'm really trying to tell you that you've done an amazing thing. But now, how you go and sum this up is what's going to change everything. You basically crown every effort that you've made so far in this course by going out there and creating your YouTube channel, making me proud, making us proud at Passive Income Gen Z. When we see that you are out there, you've created your channel and you've set it up, and we will be happy if you share your work with us. That actually makes us happy. When we see other people successful, it really makes us happy. When we see that the content that we create actually changes lives and changes people, makes them do something. And trust me, this niche is really amazing. And it will be very good for you if you give it the consistency. And guess what? You can actually do this as a part-time thing. You don't have to do this 24 hours. You can do it 1 hour a day, create 2 videos or 1 video a day and just publish it there and market it. Have fun with it. And the good thing is that there is a lot of fans for such channels, for such topics. There's an unlimited amount of things that you can do. And I trust you to take the knowledge here, go ahead and apply it at scale. Passive Income Gen Z wishing you the best and signing out.